I am resting in the house here in Cham. Tired. Had a difficult night in Bangkok last night. And I didn't want to go back to the mountains in Khao Yai again. So I drove all the way down here. My arm is hurting me as usual. I'm tired. You know, the world is a mess with the coronavirus pandemic and the mindless ranting and bickering of the US president, with all the people mocking him, and then with the Thai ministers planning, and Japan has gone all the way up to 12,000, coming up to 13,000 infected cases right now. So I'm worried about not being able to get back to Japan. I'm still stuck here in Thailand. And even though the numbers are pretty low, I doubt if it's really legitimate, because I know the Thai government has a way of covering things up. The image of being a tourist country still is one of the foremost priority in their mind. Well, that's just about it. It's quite an uneventful day today and tomorrow too. I'm not prepared to do anything today. I had a long shower. A stupid bitch, housekeeping fat pig woman sneezing right into my back early on today in the morning. She went hatching without covering her mouth. Got me all on my back. So I had to shower for 3 hours with my hair, washing my hair and everything for 3 hours. And I'm washing my clothes, sanitizing it right now, disinfecting it. I'm gonna run 2 rounds on it to make sure the virus doesn't stick to my clothes. Such a biatch. Anyway, sorry, I'm just so depressed and sad and tired right now. So see ya. Bye.